Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. I'm here today to talk about my new sponsor, projecarcare. They are a car cleaning business that has been around, and they sent me the sponsor kit. Now I'm very happy to say that I have not gotten around to trying their products, but they look really well, and from what my other friends have said that have gotten sponsored, they have really enjoyed their product. Now, I won't be using this until I get Rose back up and running because it would be a waste of the product. Now, I really do want to buy their foam cannon and try it out. I mean, to be honest, who doesn't want a foam cannon? But, all in all, if you use their code FAM10, I'll put it in the link of this description, and you will get 10% off any order. Now, orders over $50 get free shipping. And that's all I'm going to have for this video. Just a short video explaining the project kit and what all I got. I'm going to have another video coming out explaining what I'm going to be doing with Rose soon enough. Because I have made some changes and I have decided some new things. And yeah, I'll be releasing that one soon, so keep subscribing, guys, and keep watching your subscription feeds, and make sure you hit that notification button. Alright, be savage.